First, we're building out our internal sales team to be able to drive the commercialization and customer engagement. So specifically, we've added a sales leader in Asia towards the end of 2025. We're in the process of adding a second sales applications manager in Asia.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by David Somo, the CEO of Ideal Power. David, very good to speak with you. You recently stepped in as CEO. What are the key steps you're taking now to accelerate the commercial rollout of B-TRAN?
Yeah, Stephen, well, I appreciate the opportunity to be here and speak with you. From a commercialization standpoint, we actually have a handful of actions that we're taking. First, we're building out our internal sales team to be able to drive the commercialization and customer engagement. So specifically, we've added a sales leader in Asia towards the end of 2025. We're in the process of adding a second sales applications manager in Asia to be able to support customer engagements and accelerate their product development with our B-TRAN solutions. And we're adding a European sales leader to be able to work with our customers, either that are multinational in nature or headquartered and based, and most of their development is in the European region. In addition, we're working closely with our global distribution partners to be able to effectively multiply our ability to engage with customers by leveraging their sales organizations and technical resources to help design in B-TRAN.
You've signed new customer agreements and a strategic partnership with LAZZEN targeting AI data centers. How significant could that market be for Ideal Power?
Yeah, it's a substantial market. We scope it today in terms of the opportunity for solid-state circuit breakers, static transfer switches, and other early applications that we believe B-TRAN fits well in, to be several $100 million, growing to north of $1 billion over the next 3 to 4 years. So it's a significant opportunity for us in the data center with the products we're developing. LAZZEN is a great partner to work with. They're developing a portfolio of solid-state circuit breakers that they would sell across data centers and throughout Asia, as well as North America and the European regions. They also then have products that go into other similar applications like battery energy storage systems, renewable energy systems, and the electrical grid.
David, can you tell us more about Stellantis and the work you're doing on potential EV contactor development? What milestones still need to be hit before this moves towards production?
Yeah, well, the program we have currently with Stellantis, we've met one of the deliverables late last year, and we have a handful of deliverables remaining to complete that agreement. Specifically, we're providing them with custom packaged devices that are optimized to work across their EV applications, including EV contactors. So this is a unique product from a packaging perspective that we're doing for Stellantis, and that they then would be able to test. So initially, we're going to provide them with samples both in discrete format they can integrate with their packaging, as well as in reference design kits for their testing.
You've now built a patent estate of 100 issued B-TRAN patents. How important is that intellectual property position as larger players start looking at this technology?
Yeah, it's fundamental to our ability to succeed in the market, because today, if we were yet another silicon carbide device company competing with dozens of others, that'd be a very difficult road to haul. But we have a unique and compelling solution with B-TRAN, and it's widely protected, so others are not able to follow us or copy the technologies. So it protects our position as we drive the commercialization of B-TRAN in the market.
Looking ahead to the rest of 2026, David, what will be the key signals investors should watch for that show B-TRAN's moving from development into real commercial traction?
Yeah, I think it's going to be first, continuing to add, from our perspective, new opportunities into our sales funnel of qualified opportunities, which gives us more of a base to work from. And then secondly, our ability to work with customers already in the sales funnel and pipeline to be able to get their products through qualification, development, and then for them to begin selling those products, hopefully from later this year is our current expectation. And so I think we'll go through that process with them. We'll continue to add and engage with more customers, but we want to focus energy as well on getting those lead customers to market later this year.
I hope you'll continue to keep us updated with your progress. Thank you very much for taking the time today.
Absolutely. Thank you.
That's Ideal Power CEO David Somo.